So I've designed only one logo for this anti-racism campaign. To me, it's important to have something that is the same throughout different cultures so that one culture will recognize it and know what it means. It means the same thing in both cultures. This logo that I've designed is two hands shaking each other's. It's in primarily black. Black typically represents power. Um, by unifying everyone together, everyone is more powerful and they could stand stronger together. In both cultures, it also represents sophistication by pledging to be um, part of this organization and being part of this anti-racism campaign. It's a very sophisticated thing to do, and that's what this logo is representing. It's representing universal acceptance of different races and that we can all still be the same and work together. This logo is also a good size to have both large and small. It could be the logo for a cell phone app to judge the different kinds of progress that we're making. It can also be large and be shown on a billboard. But I'd really like to reiterate that it's important to have something the same so that if you travel, if you're from America and you travel to China and you see this logo, you know what it means and you know what it represents. The same goes if you're Chinese and you come over to America. The visual elements are there, the contrast, the black and the white. Those are two very strong contrasts, and I think they make that this logo even stronger because it shows the differences and how they look better and they work better together. Um, the outline is also in white around the hands, and that brings out some more contrast that really makes it stand out.